Ho, 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 Christmas is coming. I know it's hard to think about, at least for me. I'm kind of like, nope, it's fall. But because we have businesses, we do need to start thinking ahead proactively about how to make the most of this season, no matter what level you work your business. It doesn't have to take lots of time, lots of intense planning or preparation or anything like that to just maximize your own holiday season with the business that you already have in your hands. So the first and most obvious thing we'll start talking about is gift giving that you have to do. You have 50% off these amazing and incredible makeup products and skincare products and beauty tools that you can gift people in your life. And y'all, people want makeup. I can't tell you how many times people say, yeah, I got this palette for Christmas. Yeah, I got this brush for Christmas. Yeah, my mom gave me a gift card to Sephora, Ulta, blah, blah, blah for Christmas. Like, it's a thing, and it's a well-known and appreciated thing, and you have incredible products that you can gift. If you gift with thought, you're not just giving Mary Kay, you're giving amazing products. So I want to highlight a couple things to remember that can be a wonderful blessing. Women love our travel roll-up bags. Oh my word. And my friend was just telling me this week, she has a travel roll-up bag, but she was like, Jess, mine doesn't have Velcro to hold it shut. I have to tie it so it falls open, and it doesn't have a hook to hang it up. She's like, where's the hook? Where's the Velcro? And I'm like, I don't know, girl, I'm sorry, but I can hook you up. You just let me know. So for 17 bucks, you can gift someone an incredible way to store their products in their bathroom, to travel easily, and all the things. And so who in your life could genuinely benefit from this? Next, the Sonic brush. Y'all, people want these and love these. Who in your life would absolutely love to improve the cleansing of their face by 80% and love to have the next product work even better? Like, our Sonic brush is amazing, and that we're talking about $37.50, I think. So who is in that price point that would genuinely totally enjoy and love this? Thinking about, like, what can you purchase someone for $37? You can't get them an outfit. You could get them a piece, maybe two, some books, a okay gift card somewhere, but they're not going to be able to buy a whole lot. Food, jewelry. You could get like one really nice piece or two cheaper pieces, but like a skin Sonic brush for $30-some, you can't do that. Nobody can except Mary Kay consultants. So that's an amazing gift. Also, don't forget about our biocellulose masks. For women who are serious about their faces, they love this, but it's a tougher buy, I have found, for people to just like ongoing buy it. I've had more people want to schedule a facial appointment and just pay for one with me. But who would you love to gift this to, where she's set for like 6 months to a year and it costs you 35 bucks? Again, really amazing, wonderful gift for someone who wants the best out of their skin. And then one more tip for you, brushes. We have incredible, incredible brushes. An entire brush set for $25. Who could benefit from that? How about the amazing toothbrush blending brush with a foundation and a primer, or a foundation and a finishing spray? A little fun set that costs you about 30 bucks again, but to give someone a $25 gift card to Amazon, or a beautiful, long-lasting face. I mean, let's just not be shy about giving awesome gifts. And even if they don't know if they love Mary Kay, like, it's 100% guaranteed. They can give it back if they don't like it. And there are tons of people in your life who probably love the product, which is why you're a consultant. And so don't be afraid, and don't forget to shop from your own store for the holidays. You can give either twice as much for the same amount of money, or you can save on your budget and give what you would have spent, but only pay half of that. And either way, depending on where you're at, what you need, that is a blessing to you. And it helps you with being active and maybe getting some products of your own discounted. It's good all the way around. So shop from your own store. Be smart. Think about that ahead of time and go ahead and stock up on those things.